In this video, we are going to take a look at the Manfrotto 055XPRO tripod legs. I've been using this tripod for years and I've been very happy with it. Let's start with the features and design. The Manfrotto 055XPRO tripod legs are made of aluminum, which makes them lightweight yet sturdy. The legs have 3 sections and they can be adjusted to different angles, which is great for shooting on uneven terrain. I really like the lever locks because they're easy to access, but you need to make sure that you tighten these screws occasionally to keep the legs from falling off. The center column can be adjusted up and down, which makes it easier to get the perfect height and angle for your shots. The center column can also be positioned horizontally, which allows for low angle and macro photography. This tripod features a 3/8" screw on the top with a wide mounting plate, allowing you to use a variety of tripod heads with quick releases on it. Whenever you install a head, you will want to tighten the set screw underneath the column. I also really appreciate the 3/8" mount on the side of the tripod for accessories and the hook for adding sandbags or weight. The tripod measures 5.5 pounds and measures 24" long when folded. It can work at a minimum of 3.5 inches with the legs fully open and the column in the horizontal position. The maximum height is 67 inches with the center column fully extended and 55 inches with the center column unextended. The 055 can support weight up to 44 pounds. I've used them with a variety of fluid heads, ball heads, mirrorless cameras, and cinema cameras, and I've been very pleased with the stability and durability. If you're looking for a high quality tripod that can handle a variety of shooting conditions, I would definitely recommend the Manfrotto 055XPRO tripod legs. I have links for these tripod legs and all the different Manfrotto ball heads and fluid heads I've used with these in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content.